In this cake tutorial, you're going to see how to make this beautiful and colorful fault line cake with fresh flowers and sprinkles. If you want to build your skills and confidence to create beautiful cakes and memories, subscribe and ring the bell. I baked 3 layers of my delicious carrot cake, and then I made a batch of Italian meringue buttercream and lemon cream cheese filling. Start with very cold or frozen cakes. Fill them with cream cheese, but make sure to pipe a dam of buttercream around the cream cheese to hold it in place because it's very slippery. Gently press the next layer on, center it, and repeat. All hands on deck here. The third layer goes on, and then a crumb coat. A crumb coat is a thin layer of buttercream or other frosting, and it locks in the crumbs. This makes it easier to add your final coat. This is an icing tip number 789 and can be so useful, especially when making a fault line cake. A really great way to involve the kids when decorating is to let them choose the sugar sprinkles. Blue and green was our main theme, and then they added gold and a little bit of silver and white, and we just had so much fun mixing these together.
Ready? Ooh, these are pretty.
There's more than one way to make a fault line cake. This might be the simplest way. Just add a line of buttercream around the cake to adhere the sprinkles to. I went in and added more green, as you can see here. Using the 789, pipe a thick line of buttercream with the icing tip, and then frost the top of the cake. Or you could do the frosting on the top first. I will link to the other fault line cakes that I've made so that you can see how I made them as well. Be very careful when you run the bench scraper over the frosting. If you try to smooth it out all at once, it may end up dragging and getting sprinkles in it. In general, you want to have a very gentle touch when frosting a cake. We wash our hands before and after, and quite often during the cake decorating process. If you're a cake decorator, you know what I mean. We use tablets for lettering, a Wilton cutter. This small roller is great to have. A X-Acto knife for trimming is good to have. And gold dust is great for adding little sparkly touches. And the kids picked the green mums and the silver bling. A 1M tip was used to make a fluffy border which contains more sprinkles. You can use buttercream as a base for the flowers or wax paper so they don't touch the cake. We also added some wildflowers from the garden and some ferns. Now the cake is all ready for Grandma Mimi's birthday.
Happy birthday, dear Mimi, Mimi, Pam, Pam, and Mimi. Oh, day to you.
Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.
Washing your hands.
I'm looking all the way over there in London.
London.
See, all the way over there.
Great.